All right, Rye Quest, Bourbon Quest. Welcome back to another episode of Bourbon slash Rye Quest because it's still Rye January, and so yeah, we'll just jump into these. Thought I'd revisit some of these. Some of these hopefully might be a bottle kill or two. We'll see, but yeah, just thought I'd hang out with y'all and drink some ryes. Let me know. What are some of your favorite ryes or whatever? This is a Knob Creek, just your regular 100 proof rye. You can go back and watch the episode where I did it against a store pick 115 and then a cash strength 119.6. But alright, let's see. Cheers. I mean, here you go. Yeah, it's 100 proof. Definitely get that mint, caramel, vanilla, baking spice. Decent hug for 100 proof. I don't know if we're gonna drink all these. And this is a Jack Daniel's single barrel rye, specifically selected by Lexi Phillips, assistant distiller. So it's 94 proof. Meow. You coming up? Yeah. Come on. There you go. Welcome to the show, Q. I don't get as much mint on the nose on this Jack single barrel rye. Definitely there's some banana that comes through, which is typical of Jack. Cheers. That's pretty decent too. I think that's a good thing is that even though I'm not a huge rye guy, and maybe it's just, you know, not only further along in my rye quest, than obviously I was a year ago, and then also dedicating really an entire month of not exclusively drinking rye, but primarily drinking rye. I think it's helped me to come be a little bit more in tune with my palate in the rye. I'm gonna try this Tennessee Tasters barrel proof rye. We just killed off the best one I thought I ever had, and that was the special release single barrel proof rye. But this is a close substitute. It is, what's the proof on that? 127.6. Cheers, my friends. Oh yeah, definitely get that proof. Good amount of mint, pine, black pepper, baking spice. Great hug, good viscosity. Man, that's good. Let's follow it up. We might as well follow it up with the Elijah Craig straight rye, also 94 proof, just like the Jack. Plastic is still in there. All right. So Elijah Craig rye. Obviously more subtle on the nose. Definitely get the mint. Some like strawberry cream too. That's weird. But yeah, I get like some strawberry cream. Let's see what the palate says. I mean, yeah, I definitely get some of that faint strawberry cream. with some mint, obviously, but not very exciting on that one. Especially compared to the other three, I think it's the least interesting. Probably one that I would not buy again in lieu of the others. Yeah, it's just not a lot going on there. Still get that strawberry cream on the nose. All right, another sip. I mean, 94 proof. Yeah, you get that strawberry cream. It's definitely crushable at that lower proof. Again, not much viscosity, no hug, not complex at all. I mean, easy sipper for sure, though, if you're looking for something like that. So let me know. Go ahead if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel out. And then do yourself a favor, ring that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss a damn thing here on Bourbon Quest / Rye Quest. And we'll be February going right back to Bourbon Quest. But hey, it's nice. We don't do dry January, but we do rye January. And gives a little bit of break from bourbon with opportunity to experience some other things in the whiskey world. And I think that's the thing too, is that all four of these, their primary product is bourbon. So obviously with the resurgence of rye, all these have gotten into putting out their expression of a rye, and they're all, I think, good and solid, except maybe the Elijah Craig. I could probably pass on that one. Let me know what you are. Leave a comment. Smash that like button. It helps YouTube algorithms. And until next time, just remember, as always, my wish for you is that all your Bourbon Quest dreams come true. And that's a wrap. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you next time. Ha ha.